comes apart like that. What part am I supposed to clamp onto? The thick part or the thin part?
Figure it out.
Oh. I turned it on, I'm scared. I don't like it when it turns on like that. This thing works amazing. Dude! I did it! Hold up. It's not welded enough. This is the coolest thing. Ah! Burnt my flesh. That's so cool!
I wanna try. Oh!
Oh, it's separated. Oh, that's so cool. There's a reason. Ah! A bunch of the sparks jumped at me. Yeah, not a strong weld.
Josh has gotta try his best.
Oh, stop. Oh my god. Dude! That is the coolest.
What? What is that?
In my sock. Ow.
Wait. Whoa!
What, dude? Is that hot? Hold on, I'm gonna bottle of water.
The water is immediately fucking evaporating.
Ow.
It's broken.
It broke a media away. I think it's the bar. I don't think it's me. Can't be me.
Yeah.
I hate how sweaty I am.
Look, if only we could hear if only we could hear what he was thinking right now. If only we could hear what the great Josh was thinking of.
What's she saying?
Bandit! He's Bandit. What's up, Bandit? What's up, buddy?
Oh, hi. You gonna play with us today? You gonna watch me weld shit? You gonna watch me weld and shit?
What's up, Bandit? Hi! Oh my god, hi! Bandit is Shock Dog.
Shock Dog. He was on sale that day.
He was on sale.
Roscoe was $50 at a shelter. He was supposed to be $100, but he was on sale that day, weren't you, buddy? He was on sale.
Hi, Bandit. Oh, you're so cute. He's like, what the? He's like, what are you doing, man? That's not how you weld.
No.
He's like, I smell that. Oh. Oh.
He's like, oh! Hey, no!
No way.
He's under the car!
Josh, there's a chicken in your fucking garage.
Oh, wait, shut the door!
Oh, no!
No!
You gotta grab it.
I can't grab it! Oh my god, I can't believe I left. It's okay, come. I don't want to touch him. You can see like its foot just sitting there.
I knew that. I won't do that because it's a female chicken.
Oh. There's only female chickens, Jack.
It's not a rooster,
That's what I'm saying.
so you can just
Oh,
grab
it's
it.
either rooster or chicken. I don't think. Shut that door more. If he squeezes in there, there's nothing I can do.
Grab it.
I don't want to grab. You grab it.
No, I'm
Give me the
recording.
phone.
No,
You
I'm
grab
recording.
it.
No, I'm recording.
Oh,
You
you're
grab it.
recording? Yeah,
Yeah,
chicken.
it's your house. He can stay in here as long as he wants, as far as I care.
That's your little bitch.
Oh, he's petting the chicken. You clearing the way?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm clearing the way.
Poor chicken. This chicken ain't laying any more eggs.
All right, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shut the door.
Chickens can fly. You just gotta go. Ah.
Ah!
What?
There's a spider.
Oh, look at that fucking thing.
It's flying around.
He just plopped that thing down. It's like, Daddy?
Well, you can snap it.
You made a giant boomerang. Throw it. Eat it like a boomerang.
Wow.
Now, what would you imagine was like,
I would run that way. Stop it. You're making me uncomfortable. I feel like it's gonna snap really violently and hurt my hands.
I had my safety squints engaged during that.
You're forgetting something.
What? Oh.
Oh my god. That's awesome.
Look at my amazing weld.
Okay, I'm gonna pick it up from the top piece. Is it hot? Toasty? No.
We're ready to make a go-kart.
We're cracking. Ready? I'm gonna break it so easily. It's like ripping apart a Pop-Tart.
My weld.
Well. Are you avoiding looking at it?
Yeah.
Cats! No!
Oh!
That was cool. And that.
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool! Okay.
We look over and your wall's on fire and it's like...
Exactly. Wait, hold on. For a second there, the mat went black, and so I just saw a reflection of my face going. Whoa, okay. So oh no, it's wibbling.
Oh, it's wiggling. He's still alive.
Ah. Ah! Good luck. Don't be scared. Just let it zap and you'll be fine. It doesn't hurt you. It's just gonna be fine. You're so stupid. And watch, the helmet will darken. And it'll be super cool.
I'm scared.
You just gotta get a connection between it. There you go.
Oh, geez, Louise. Oh wow, that is so cool.
Isn't it fun? Whoa.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't know, but it's melting.
You're doing so good.
Thank you. I'm so scared. Oh, it's so good.
God, I feel like a kid. I just got a new toy.
It's a cool ass toy. Oh my god, what? Look. Oh wait, it's getting smaller.
Oh no, he's still a bead. Blah. I can feel the heat from over here.
Huh?
I can feel the heat from over
Yeah,
here.
I'm fucking sweating. Oh no,
Oh,
turn
you-
it off, turn it off. I have a boo-boo arm.
A boo-boo arm? Try to pull it apart. I'm proud of this now.
Wait, let me see.
This is my baby. Hold on, let me show you the weld real quick.
Oh.
Look, don't just smack me.
Okay,
Look at the weld. It's almost solid right there. Solid weld. Hold on, let me. Okay, I can't really see that very well. Whatever. I can make more.
Can I put it on the floor?
Do what you want. Hey!
Oh no.
Don't-
Not a solid weld.
Don't burn yourself.
Almost solid.
Okay, let me see.
I see.
Advanced spark.
Actually, try again. What if I get down here? What if I get it from this
Oh,
angle?
now you're excited. See, that's what I'm talking about.
So now I just touch it?
Just touch it.
That is amazing. It does dark.
Oh.
Wow. That's amazing.
Feel the power.